There he is, making sauerkraut. We only have a little bit to make. The stomper.
No juice yet. There's a little bit coming.
Don't be getting the hair in it.
Huh?
Don't be getting the hair in it.
Some gray hair in there. You didn't show him the slicer.
It's over here.
Huh?
Slicer's over here. Pretty old-fashioned, I must say. Here it is. Slicer with the deck. Had a few heads from my buddy Tom Adams. Needs cleaned up, of course. That's pretty primitive, Billy.
Well, they made it in the old days, the Dutchies. Seems juicing up very quick.
I'm gonna take a movie on yours now. See you later.